Today we will learn about the gauge manifold. The gauge manifold is an important tool used in HVAC and refrigeration systems. It measures pressure and helps diagnose issues. This device measures pressure. In an air conditioning system, it ensures the system operates safely. It also helps technicians charge refrigerant and diagnose problems. A standard manifold gauge set has two gauges, one blue gauge and one red gauge. The blue gauge measures low pressure. It is connected to the suction line of the system. The red gauge measures high pressure. It is connected to the discharge line. Here is the manifold. The blue hose is for the low pressure side. The red hose is for the high pressure side. The yellow hose is for charging. Air conditioning systems work based on pressure changes. If the pressure is too low, the system may have low refrigerant. If the pressure is too high, there may be overcharging or a blockage. This is a gauge manifold. It helps technicians check the system's pressure. The needle shows the condition. By reading the pressure values, technicians can diagnose faults. For example, low suction pressure may indicate a refrigerant leak. High discharge pressure may indicate a dirty condenser or airflow problem. The manifold gauge is also used when adding refrigerant to the system. Connecting the yellow hose now. Hose is secure, starting the flow. Refrigerant is flowing into the system. Some manifold gauges are analog. Analog gauges use needles to show pressure readings. Some are digital. Digital manifolds show pressure, temperature, superheat, and subcooling. Using a gauge manifold requires proper training. You must learn to read the gauges and adjust the valves correctly. This prevents serious mistakes. Refrigerant systems operate under high pressure. Improper use can cause injury or system damage. A gauge manifold is a diagnostic and service tool. It allows HVAC technicians to measure pressure, charge refrigerant, and troubleshoot problems safely and accurately.